Hello and welcome to another update video about the NASDAQ. Also in a very interesting spot at the moment, obviously starting to cover the S&P 500 on this channel again. So I wanted to cover the NASDAQ as well, give you regular updates again if time allows. Let me know in the comments if you like to do so, and if you don't want to miss them, then check out the subscription please. Subscribe to the channel, it would help a lot. So overall, what I wanted to do, just zooming out a little bit here, we take a look at the structure into the 2021 high, which I count in a similar way to the S&P 500, and counting this as a larger third wave top. I can count a pretty nice 5-wave move up off the March 2020 low into the 2021 high. And this would conclude a larger third wave. We would be based on that. Now we would be in a fourth wave, okay, and would rally in a fifth wave afterwards. Now, again, this is quite a substantial correction here. Remember that, for example, this B wave, which I've labeled as a B wave. So we're looking at this obviously as the start of a correction, end of 2021. Also here, it's been taking over a year already. I'm counting the move down as an A wave. The move up is currently a 3-wave move in a B wave, and I would be expecting another move down in a C wave of wave 4. Alternatively, but at the moment it's just the alternative, and that's the same reason that I've highlighted on the S&P 500 chart. Alternatively, we can count this wave 4 already as complete. Okay, so, but I don't, and I only, so let me just alt. I think it has good chances to make a new all-time high. Okay, so we don't wanna rule that out. However, the reason why I'm highlighting this only as alternative, the more bullish interpretation, it is that we only have 3 waves up at the moment, but okay, we have a 3-wave start to the rally, so we're going to take a look at that. So it looks like an ABC, and also for risk management purposes, I did highlight that on the S&P 500. I give it a good chance to push higher, and we're going to track bullish structures as well. And we're going to track the relevant bullish support areas on the chart that will allow us to focus on higher. Nevertheless, we've reached a key pivot point here now, and for risk management purposes, because even if we go any higher than this and make new all-time highs, I mean, again, there is much more room on the downside compared to what would be available in this fifth wave, which would be already running anyway, right? So in a more bullish interpretation, we would have here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, could be nearly done, might push a little higher, then a 4 and a 5, and that would be it, okay? That would be it, and then we get a more substantial correction afterwards. But yeah, so I think the key is to understand the smaller degree count. That's what we're going to track. I'm going to track primarily an ABC structure for risk management purposes. However, I will always also give the relevant support area that needs to hold to focus on high, and I'm very open to the idea that we could get to new all-time highs. I mean, even in a B wave, even in a B wave here, in a 3-wave move, price can go higher, because as you know, B waves can overshoot their previous highs. No problem. B waves can do that, even in corrective structures. The thing is, if this really is a B wave, normally, or very often, they react to the 78.6 retracement, and it just did that at around 15,220. So that's a key level here. It already broke it briefly, but got rejected. Now, it is a relevant level, but if price pushes above it and we only have 3 waves, it could still be a B wave, because B waves like to overshoot previous highs. That is just possible, okay? But still, it's an important resistance. Now, okay, so at the moment, my view is this is an A wave down, B wave up, which is close to maximizing what it should really do, and then a C wave down. So now we need to understand, okay, the smaller degree count is really where we will have a decision between the more bullish and the more bearish count. So let's first talk about the idea that this could be a B wave. The idea is that of the lows, I only have a 3-wave move, A, B, C, which I count as a larger A wave. A move down in a B wave, which was the March low. And then we have a pretty nice move up into this C wave. Pretty clean impulse. Yeah, basically textbook impulsive structure. Let me take the volume out. Oh, yeah. So a nice textbook impulsive structure, but only embedded in a larger 3-wave move at the moment, as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Yeah, that is one reason why I focus on the white wave count here, which is not the more bullish count, but we talk about the bullish count as well. So, but even in the B wave count, which should sell off later, I think we have a chance to push higher once more. It just adds to the picture of this impulse. Now, okay, we talked about the A wave, we talked about the B wave, and now we're talking about this C wave, which is unfolding to the upside. I have a pretty nice 5-wave move into the early April high as a wave 1, a wave 2 low end of April, a pretty nice 3rd wave rally into the June high in 5 waves. Let me actually check if it reached the 1.618 extension, which I normally want it to do. Nearly, okay, 1 second, nearly. Fell a little bit short, but it's all right. You know, it is a nice 5-wave move, no overlaps, all good. And then we're now coming back in what would be the wave 4 pullback. Yeah, based on this structure, I would assume we get one more high. And what would be a typical retracement area for this wave 4? We can put that onto the chart. And this would be based on a measurement of the length of the 3rd wave. And then we're looking at the relevant retracement areas for a wave 4. This is here. So we haven't even reached the 23.6 retracement. So let me just... This is the standard Fibonacci retracement zone for this wave 4. Ideal target would be 14,400, the 38.2 retracement. Because we haven't even touched it, nearly we have, but we haven't touched it really, and the move up is currently corrective, I assume we are currently doing a B wave, which could be nearly finished, and would then do a deeper wave 4. Okay. Now we can also add resistance for the B wave, which it touched. Okay. So this goes all the way up to 15,340. If it breaks above that level, I would assume wave 5 has already started. Until it does that, I assume we go down lower first into the yellow box and move higher then in a 5th wave. And after this 5th wave, we will have the decision moment, because after this 5th wave, it's all about, okay, is this B wave really finished? I mean, I won't rule out this B wave is finished here, but I expect another high just because of the structure. And because of we're holding above support. So obviously if it breaks below 14,080 here, yeah, or 14,070, I have to assume that this B wave has topped, because it would then go too low. Okay. But as long as the yellow holds, focus is generally on higher in a 5th wave. Okay. But after this 5th wave, decision time. Is the B wave in? Yeah. Or is it going to be something more bullish? What would be the more bullish count? The more bullish count highlighted in orange would be here a wave 1, a wave 2. Then all of this would still be a 3rd wave in the making. Then a wave 4 and a wave 5. So the decision would come after the B wave top. That's where there will be a decision. Yeah, because what I will do as soon as we have that additional high, I will give you a bullish support region for the wave 4, which needs to hold in order to give us a 5th wave. If that breaks, then yeah, we have good confirmation that we are indeed heading down lower in a C wave, which could be quite a dramatic sell-off. But yeah, that's my update about the NASDAQ. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.